Hi guys, my name is Preschool Learning. Are you ready? It looks great. I love ice cream. Blue marker pen. Black marker pen. Green marker pen. Brown marker pen. Yellow marker pen. Pink marker pen. Orange marker pen. Red marker pen. Purple marker pen. I love to paint. Congratulations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Let's put everything back when we're done. Congratulations. Let's do it. Orange marker pen. It looks great. Brown marker pen. I love ice cream. Yellow marker pen. I love to paint. Red marker pen. Great. Purple marker pen. Green marker pen. Color paints. Pink marker pen. Wow! It looks great. Red marker pen. Wow! It looks great. Wow! Blue marker pen. I love pencil. Orange marker pen. Ice cream. Pink marker pen. Wow. Green marker pen. It looks great. Red marker pen. I love to paint. Brown marker pen.